Okay, so I'm going to teach you guys how to make an origami heart. So first you're going to take your paper and you want the Y side facing up and then your colored side to be facing down. And you want to fold it hot dog style. And then make a crease. And then unfold it. And then fold it hamburger style. And then make your crease. And then unfold it again. So then you should have 2 creases running down the middle of your paper. And then you're going to take your paper and bring the bottom half up to the center crease you made, just like this, and then fold it, still with the white side facing up. So then once you have done that, you are going to flip your paper over, so now the colored side is facing up, and you're going to take one of the corners and fold it in to where it's in line with your middle crease right here, and it kind of makes a triangle, and then crease it. And then you want to take the other side and do the exact same thing. And you can kind of play around with it to make sure that they're even, because mine always end up uneven somehow, but you really want to try and make them as even of triangles as possible so your heart is symmetrical on both sides. So then it should look like this, still with the colored side facing up. You then, for our next step, want to flip it around, and this is what your white side should look like, with just a little bit of a colored triangle at the bottom. And then you're going to take this top corner and we're going to take it and fold it down just like we did on the other side, just along this crease right here, to make another triangle on this side. So you're going to take it, make a nice crease, and then take the other side and do the exact same thing. Your paper should now be in like a diamond sort of shape. And then you are going to take this top piece and we're essentially going to fold it down to here. But you're going to have to maneuver your little white squares right here to make sure you can fold it, because it kind of gets stuck. So just kind of play around with it. And you want to fold it down. It kind of takes a second to get it to actually fold down. And then you want to just press these white sides down once you get it, and it'll kind of all work out and be even, but it just takes a second to make it all look right again, because I don't know, folding it makes it look really weird. So then it should look like this, and you want to try and get it down as far as you can to the point. As you can see, mine was not all the way there, so I'm going to try and fix that real fast. There you go. Okay, so it should pretty much look like this. So now you can have the base of your heart, and then you're going to take these little white triangles and basically just fold them inward, so that way you can't see them on the colored side. So you just want to take it and fold it in, and then do the same thing on the other side. So it should look like this, and then it should look like this on the other side. And then you are basically going to take this little corner right here and fold it in and make a crease, and then take this little corner right here and fold it in and also make a crease. Here, let me make mine. Take this corner, fold it in, and then take this corner and also fold it in. So you should have one big triangle at the top, and you want to do that on both sides. Take this side and then take this side, so you have 2 just little triangles at the top, and then you want to take the point of your bigger triangle that you just made and fold the point down. And you can fold it down as far as you want. It's just kind of preference to how rounded you kind of want your heart to be. Folded mine down that far, but obviously it's literally just preference, so you can do whatever. And then you have made your heart. So you flip it over and you have a cute little origami heart. So yeah, thanks for following along.